Apple would never tell you this. But your iPhone is probably sharing your personal data right now without asking you once. And no, I'm not talking about hackers or viruses. I'm talking about settings that are already on inside your Messages app by default. Most people have no idea these even exist. And honestly, that's exactly what makes them dangerous. So if you have an iPhone, stay with me for the next 2 minutes. Because by the end of this video, you're going to change at least one of these settings immediately. Let's go. Your name and photo is being sent to strangers. Imagine texting an unknown number and your full name and photo gets delivered to them automatically. No warning, no permission asked. That photo, someone can copy it. That name, someone can use it to impersonate you online. Here's how to stop it right now. Open Settings. Tap the search bar at the bottom. Type Messages and tap on it. Scroll down and tap Share Name and Photo. Scroll all the way to the bottom to find the Share Automatically option, which is set to Contacts Only by default. Tap it, switch it to Always Ask, and then tap Done or the check mark in the top right corner. Done. From now on, you decide, not Apple. Your messages are visible on your lock screen. Think about this. You're at work, in a cafe, anywhere in public, your phone lights up, and anyone standing near you can read your private message without even picking up your phone. That's not a glitch. That's the default setting. Fix it in seconds. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Scroll down to Messages and tap it. Scroll down to the Show Previews option, tap it, and select When Unlocked or Never. Now, your messages stay your messages. Your photos and links are quietly moving to other apps. There's a feature called Shared With You that takes content from your chats, photos, links, anything, and automatically passes it into other apps like Photos and Safari. You never said yes. It just happens. Here's how to take back control. Open Settings. Search Messages. Tap it. Scroll down. Tap Shared With You. Toggle everything off or pick exactly which apps are allowed. Your choice. Someone else might be reading all your messages. This one is scary and most people completely overlook it. Every device ever linked to your Apple ID can see your iMessages. Old iPhone, old iPad, even a device someone else used with your account. They don't need your phone, they don't need your password, they just have access. Check right now. Go to Settings, search Messages. Tap it. Tap Send and Receive. Remove any email address or phone number you don't recognize. If you find something unexpected, drop a comment below. You'd be surprised how many people do. People know exactly when you read their messages. You open a message, you're not ready to reply, but the other person already knows, you've seen it, timestamp and everything. Awkward? Yes. A privacy issue? Absolutely. One tap fixes it. Open Settings. Search Messages. Tap it. Scroll to Send Read Receipts. Toggle it off. Now you read on your time. No pressure, no explanations needed. So here's the truth. iMessage is actually one of the more secure messaging apps out there. But only if you take control of these settings yourself. Apple leaves them on by default. That's their choice. Turning them off? That's yours. Right now, go change at least one of these settings. Just one. It takes 30 seconds. And if this video helped you, smash that like button because it genuinely helps more people find this information. Subscribe if you want more iPhone tips that actually matter. No fluff, no filler. And drop a comment telling me which setting surprised you the most. I read every single one. See you in the next video.